Hello, I'm going to quickly go through something that's frustrating for us in PowerPoint. I want to select this wing nut there, and when I click, it selects these kukli dolls. Yes, you can move them around, you can move all sorts of things out of the way, but sometimes you got things arranged right where you want them. Really frustrating. I'll try to select it here. Oh, it selected the cleaver instead. So it's frustrating. Let me show you something that happens on the Mac that is very handy, and then I'll explain how the PC works. So on the Mac, you can go up to this Arrange and then hit Reorder Objects. There's no reorder objects on the PC yet. Look at that. That is fantastic. It treats every object as a layer. It's like if you ever use Photoshop, it works the same way. You can drag things around to go up or down, and you see here this is part of the template for that slide. It actually shows up as an object too because it appears on the slide. So you can see I'm going to do something with that wing nut. I can bring it up to the top, and now what that does is it brings it to the front. So bringing it forward or backwards or reordering things that way is fine, but it's part of being able to select it is the issue. So you can see that worked pretty darn good on the Mac. Now on the PC and on the Mac, there's something else. There is a selection pane. And you click on that, and then you select an object, and you say, oh, okay. There it selected picture 12. And this lock is picture 10. Now obviously if you've got a lot of things in your slide, you got a complex slide and you're trying to work with them, there's something you can do. You can double click on the object there, the picture, and say lock. Picture 12 was the wing nut. So sometimes when you're doing slides that take a lot of effort to put together, it's worth the time coming here, going to the selection pane, and renaming these. Because if you try to just remember picture 12, 16, all that, and you're reordering, if you got a whole big long list of things here, it's really difficult to do. So this renaming function is pretty handy. Almost forgot. There's one last thing. So I can't select that shell because of the dolls. That's the dolls is picture 6. So what you can do instead of reordering, you can hide picture 6. That toggles the visibility on or off, and it also makes it so now you can select your shape in behind. So the combination of these different things are pretty useful. So going back to my other slide, you can see there's some things I messed up, either in the order I did things or pasted things. I got this fairy in front of this symbol here, so I'll either select her. Actually, I'm going to select this this cross-out symbol. I guess it's called no symbol. And I'm going to move that up in the order. The more close to the front is, the higher it is in the spectrum. So based on all that, I can select that and each of these different objects here, all those, and that one, and I can just move them all up to the top. And that way they're all at the front. So that's another thing that's pretty handy.